Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries for biofertilizer. So let's suppose I am running a biofertilizers business and I am receiving many leads and inquiries on my IndiaMART. Now I want that whenever I receive a new lead or the new inquiry, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to that customer. Now doing this manually will be a very time consuming task, so I am completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Chat Flow. So Pabbly Chat Flow is the newly launched application of Pabbly which helps us send automated WhatsApp messages to our customers. Now with the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I will receive new lead or new inquiry in my IndiaMART, an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead. Now if you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries for biofertilizer. For this, we are going to create automation between IndiaMART and Pabbly Chat Flow, with the help of which I'll be sending the WhatsApp messages with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect/inr/ in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow button, and first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries for biofertilizer, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and here I am going to select this as IndiaMART automations and then click on create. Now here, as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries, which means whenever I will receive new lead or new inquiry, a WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead or the inquiry, which means whenever I will receive new lead or inquiry in my IndiaMART, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So when I receive new lead or the new inquiry in my IndiaMART and an action says do this, then send WhatsApp message. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take IndiaMART, and then in my trigger event, I am going to take this new leads. Now I have to make connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I am going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my IndiaMART account. So this is my IndiaMART account, and this is the seller's dashboard of IndiaMART. On the left hand side, where I can see all these options, I have to click on this lead manager, from where I have to click on this three dots and then click on this import export leads, and then click on this push API. Now under this push API integration, I have to first select the source. I have this drop down where I have all the sources. I'm going to select this as other, and then I have to enter my CRM platform name and the webhook listener URL. So here my CRM platform name is Pabbly Connect. I'm going to enter that, and the next is webhook listener URL. So this is the same webhook URL which I'm provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here. Next, I have to click on the Save Details. Now I need to select the reason that why I want to connect my Pabbly Connect with IndiaMART. In this drop down, I can find all the reasons. Here, for now, I'm simply going to select this as I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance. You can select according to your choice and preference. And next, we simply have to click on this click to generate OTP. Here, I need to enter the OTP which I have received on my number. Now that I have entered the OTP, I'm simply going to click on this submit. And here I have successfully added the webhook URL which I was provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow here in my IndiaMArt. And now if I go back to Pabbly Connect, I can see this waiting for the webhook response. And under this, it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means, so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission for which I'll be opening my profile which I have created in IndiaMArt, and from that profile I'll be sending a query to my own business. Now after that I send the query, all the response should be captured here in this workflow, and this will show us the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMArt that is successful. So here I am quickly going to open my profile in incognito mode. So here this is my profile. My name is this, phone number is this, email address is latest@pabblytudes.com, address is Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, India, and the company name is Latest Company. Now I am going to search for my business, which is this one. And after searching for my business, I simply have to click on this contact supplier. Now in this particular box, I have to add my query. So let's say my query is, so here I have added my query as, hi, I'm interested in purchasing biofertilizers for sustainable farming. Could you please provide information on the available products and pricing? Waiting for your response, thanks. Now I'm going to click on this next, and then I'm going to click on this submit as this field is not a required one. So I'm going to skip this. And here I've successfully sent my query from my profile to my own business, and Pabbly Connect should capture all the response in the workflow. So let's quickly open my Pabbly Connect workflow. And here I can see that I have received the response. The status is success. I have received the unique query ID, and this query ID will be unique for every query that I will receive. Then the response subject was requirement for Pabbly Connect free demo available. And then the sender state was this one. The name is this. Then I have received the phone number. Email address was latest@pabblytudes.com. Country is this. Company is Latest Company. City is Bhopal. Address is Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. And then the product name was Pabbly Connect free demo available. Then the query message that I've just sent is this one. Hi, I'm interested in purchasing biofertilizers for sustainable farming. Could you please provide information on the available product and pricing? Waiting for your response, thanks. So this is the same exact query that we have just sent from my profile to my own business, and Pabbly Connect has captured that. Now this shows the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMArt that is successful. And now whenever I will receive new lead or the new inquiry, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever I receive new lead or the new inquiry, I want to send WhatsApp message. So I'm going to use Pabbly chat flow to send the WhatsApp message, and then in my action application, I'll be taking Pabbly chat flow. And then in my action event, I'm going to take this send template message. Now let's open my Pabbly chat flow account. So this is the app dashboard of Pabbly chat flow. And if you want to create your own Pabbly chat flow account, you simply have to click on this add WhatsApp number. Here you need to add all your details from WhatsApp Cloud API account, your Pabbly chat flow account like this. Now if you want to learn how to create your own Pabbly chat flow account, you can visit the video of Pabbly chat flow configuring WhatsApp Cloud API and creating Pabbly chat flow account that we have added on the YouTube channel. Now here we want to send a WhatsApp message, and to send the WhatsApp message, we have to learn how to create a template, because with the help of the template, we'll be sending all the WhatsApp messages. So on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we have to click on this templates, and then if you want to explore new templates, you can click on this explore templates button. And then if you want to create your own template, you can simply click on this templates list. So we have landed to this page of templates, and we have to learn to create a template from the scratch. For that, I'm going to click on this add new template button. And then I have to create a new template. So here I have two categories in this template, which is marketing and utility. According to my use case, I'm going to select this as marketing. Then I have to name the template. So let's say I'm going to name my template as IndiaMART. And then it's written that the name can only be in lowercase, alphanumeric characters and underscores. Special characters and white spaces are not allowed. Example this. So here this is my template name. Next, the language. So let's say the language is English. And then I have to select the template type. Now here I'm going to select this as text. You can select according to your choice and preference from these types. Next, the header is, let's say, welcome. And then I have to draft the message in a way that I want to send. So here I'm writing hello. Then I'll be adding a custom variable. So this custom variable which I have added will change every time I receive the name of the lead, because I have added this custom variable for the name of the lead. Now as soon as I add this custom variable, I also have to provide the value to this custom variable. So as I have added the custom variable for the name of the lead, here I am going to write the value as demo. Let's say the name of the lead is demo. So I have provided the value to this field. And then next I'm writing thanks for contacting. And then again, let's say I'm going to add custom variable. And then thanks for contacting my business name. So here I am writing Pabbly. So this will get replaced with the name of the business that will map. Now I do not require the template footer. So for now I am going to skip this. In the interactive sessions, I'm going to select this as none. So this is the preview of the message. This is how my message will appear like. And after creating this message, I simply have to click on this submit. Now after a few hours, this message will be approved and then I can use this message in my workflow. Now I have already created a template for this workflow and I'm going to show you that. For that, I'm going to click on this templates. So this is the template which I have created, IndiaMART leads message. Hello, then I have added a custom variable. Thank you for your inquiry through IndiaMART. We appreciate your interest in our offerings. Our team has received your request and will get back to you shortly with more information. If you have any immediate questions or need assistance, feel free to reply to this message. We are here to help. Best regards. Now here I have added a custom variable which will keep changing with the name of the lead whenever I will receive the new lead. And this is the template which I'll be using. Now let's quickly go back to my workflow. And now after selecting my action application and the action event, I'm going to click on this connect. Now if you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter the token. So it's written that I have to log into my Chatflow account and I have to go to settings, APIs and webhooks and then copy the API token. So here I'm going to open my Pabbly Chatflow account. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, so I'm going to click on this settings and then I'm going to click on this APIs and webhooks. Now over here I'm provided with the API which I'm going to copy and paste that over here. Next I'm going to click on this save. So here Pabbly Chatflow is connected with Pabbly Connect and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is that I have to enter the recipient mobile number. Now I'm not going to enter these details manually. Instead I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. Now here I have received the response from IndiaMART and when I click on any of these fields, I can see this IndiaMART, and when I click on this, I can see all the response that I have received from there. Here I need to enter the recipient mobile number, so I will enter the mobile number as this one. Now here it's written that I have to enter the mobile number with the country code but without this plus sign. Here I can see that I have received the response with this plus sign and now I need to format this. So for that I'm going to use one more action step before this action step by clicking on this add action button. And then I'm going to search for a feature by Pabbly which is text formatter. And then in my action event, I'm going to take this as split text and then click on this connect. So the text that I want to split is the phone number. So I'm going to map the phone number. And then in the separator, as I want to format this plus sign, so I'm going to enter plus sign in this separator field. And then in the segment index, I'm going to select this as all and then click on the save and send test request. Now here I can see that I've received the response and now I can map this value in my Pabbly Chatflow action step. So let's open my action step. And now I'm going to remove this and enter the mobile number which I have received in my text formatter action step, which is this one. Now I need to enter the template name. So to get this template name, let me open my Pabbly Chatflow account. So this is the template which I've shown you previously, and this is the particular template which I'll be using, IndiaMART leads message. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and from this drop down, I'm going to select my template as IndiaMART leads message, this one. Now it has automatically detected the header type, which is text. The header params, media URL and file name are not required fields, so I'm going to skip this. These fields are also not required ones, so I'm going to skip this. Next, I need to enter the body parameter. So I have entered the custom variable for the name of the lead here, as you can see that. And now I'm going to map the name that I have received in my IndiaMART response, which is this one. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now that I have entered all these details, I'm simply going to click on the Save and Send Test Request. And here I can see that I have received the response and this response is a positive one. The status is success. The message is sent. Now let's open my WhatsApp number and check whether I have received this WhatsApp message there or not. So here I have opened my WhatsApp web in incognito mode and this is the message that I have received. Let's open this. Hello, and here you can see the custom variable has been replaced with the name of the lead and this is the same exact message. Thank you for your inquiry through IndiaMART. We appreciate your interest in our offerings. Our team has received your request and we will get back to you shortly with more information. So this is the same exact message. Now here, as I have added my own phone number, I have shown you the WhatsApp message that I have received. If you want to check the message has been sent to the customer or not, you have to open your Pabbly Chatflow account. And on the left hand side where you can see all these options, you have to click on this inbox. Now here you can see that the message has been sent. You can also check the status of the message and this was the same exact message. So now to summarize, we took IndiaMART as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We submitted a query and received that response here in this workflow. Then we moved to the next step where we wanted to send WhatsApp message to the lead and the inquiry that we have received in IndiaMART. So we took the action application as Pabbly Chatflow with the help of which we'll be sending the WhatsApp messages. Made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details. Then entered the lead name with the help of mapping. Clicked on the Save and Send Test Request button and received a response as the WhatsApp message being sent to that lead automatically and instantly. So this is how this automation workflow will run, and here we have successfully created automation between IndiaMART and Pabbly Chatflow with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.